Hello and welcome to Gallabox tutorial videos. If you're a partner managing multiple clients, switching between accounts or adding a new one should not slow you down. In this quick tutorial, we will see how to easily add a child account within your Gallabox account so you can onboard, manage, and support your clients all in one place. Let's start. Access all partner accounts by clicking on Accounts in the left navigation panel of your Gallabox account. Click the Add New Account button to begin adding child accounts. Within the pop-up window, type in the account name, making sure it corresponds to the business name for easy identification. Enter the business's website. Also make sure the business's website is operational.
Choose the country and the state where the business is operating from in the drop-down menu. After agreeing to terms and privacy policy, click on Create Account. You will be directed to the onboarding process. If you have access to their Facebook Business Manager and the phone number the business intends to connect with the WhatsApp Business API, proceed to activate the free trial on their behalf. This concludes the process of adding a child account to your Gallabox account. You can add as many child accounts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Gallabox walkthroughs. See you in the next video.